Look at the bathroom. Remember how cool it is? Look at the light. Wow.
Come on, buddy. Are you hopping like a bunny?
Hold on. Here, put your pants on.
What do you know like a bunny? What?
I don't know. We'll have to go in the living room and look. Let's.
Yes.
We can go back around this way. And see. Okay? Go back around this way. Let's go look in the living room. Look. Should we go look?
Good morning, Meow.
I don't see anything. I wonder if we can. What's all that? Jude, on the floor. Right here.
How did I not see that?
Look at it on the chair. What is that?
Whoa!
Dad!
What is that? What is that?
Money.
Money! Yeah, right.
Wow.
Is that it? Buddy?
So did he do it like the bunny movie? He dropped out the jelly beans?
Where's your basket, buddy?
You look for your Easter basket.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, you should just see it? Lift it up! Look at the handle! He really did come! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Show Dad!
What is that?
What else? I think it's like looks like an egg cup that you
Aw, cool.
A big egg? Look at Mommy.
Wow, there's like Pop Rocks in that one. What is that? Marshmallow bunny sucker?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
What is that? Bring that over here.
That's really cool. Look at Meow.
Look at Meow's excited too.
Yeah, yeah, too.
Good morning, Meow. Meow's probably hungry. Meow's interested in the... Hey. Don't pull his arm, buddy. What else you got? Bring that basket over here, buddy.
By Dad so we could see.
Jude. Bring that basket over here. Set it right here.
Rainbow Pop.
Pick that basket up and bring it over here.
Did he go to on the floor?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he dropped candy when he was here. Bring your basket right on the table here so we can all look.
Maybe he pooped like Hop, like the bunny movie.
The jelly beans out. On the table and let's see.
Right here.
What else is there?
What do you got there?
Ooh, egg-shaped bubble gum. Those are all eggs gum in there.
More gum, buddy? Yeah.
Wow. In there.
Baby, did that?
Oh.
Mommy, give me that basket.
Yeah.
In there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Here, Mommy.
Oh, that was nice.
Very nice.
For Daddy.
There's Dad.
Dad gets the one on the floor.
What else is in there? It looks like there's cool stuff.
Whoa.
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 Jude, what else is in your basket?
A baby hungry hippo.
Oh, is that what that is?
With a case on top.
Is that a mini game? Is that Hungry Hippos that we could take along?
That's cool.
Jude?
Yeah,
Oh, the little one you can put here.
but what are the big ones?
It's in your room.
Yeah, it's in your playroom.
See what else is in your basket, buddy.
Oh,
Whoa. SpongeBob.
Krabby Patties.
Krabby
Mmm.
Mom, must open them.
You have more in there. He's just farting.
Right. No, what's all this cool stuff in the back, dude?
More gum done. That's what that gum
Is that gum? No, thank you. I don't want gum right now.
I don't think that's gum. It's just jelly beans. There's jelly beans.
Jude, what's all this?
Oh my gosh, you got movies?
What is that?
Legend of the Guardians movie with owls?
Cool.
Really? Okay.
He's so distracted.
Cool, mommy.
Whoa.
Jude, look at me.
Bunny gum.
Look at me. Smile and say Happy Easter.